Car is already back home, man. The car's already back home. As y'all can see, I already covered it up because it's getting late. It's like 5 o'clock. So I got literally like half an hour to an hour worth of sunlight left. So I'm gonna try to record this video today and come back out here tomorrow, get my music stuff situated so I can finally let y'all hear that stuff. But what I think I'm gonna do, I don't know what people yelling for. But yeah, I know for sure though, if I don't even get the subwoofers working, I'll let y'all hear the door panel speakers and the rear deck speakers for sure. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all hear that. Brand new suspension kit for the Cutlass, man. Look at all that rust, man. I'm gonna paint them lower control arms. So I ended up not needing new control arms, upper or lower. They are still in pretty good shape, you know what I'm saying? Even though they got a lot of surface rust on them. Dang, look at all that oil. Yeah, I'm gonna get this right, man. Y'all know when we get ready to paint the frame, paint as much of the frame as I can, I should say. I did not have to get upper and lower control arms because those itself, the uppers was like $250, then the lowers was like close to $300, and that was for the pairs. So that would have been like another $500. So like I said, luckily I did not have to get that. What's up, guys? This your boy Deuce, back with another video. Y'all see the time, man, guys, not gonna lie to y'all, be 100% honest, 100% honest with y'all. The Cutlass was only gone for literally a day and a half. I dropped it off Monday. It was gone from, well, I dropped it off like Monday afternoon, so they could be like half a day. We could say half a day there. Then it was gone all of Tuesday, and then picking it up Wednesday. This was the quickest turnaround I've ever dropped the car off to a shop and got it right back. You know what I'm saying? I've never, like, y'all already know, bro. Even when this car got dropped off for the AC, it was gone for like 4 or 5 days, you know? So this the fastest my car had been gone, and I done got it right back, you know what I'm saying? And had a lot, like I said, the whole front suspension kit, all of it was installed, all brand new. And the dude said he said it drove real smooth. So like I said, now we're gonna go pick it up, man. I'm gonna drive it back by myself, like without the camera, you know what I'm saying, just so I can enjoy the car. And yeah, I won't have to hold my camera because y'all know my seats ain't fully mounted in the car. They just bolted down just a little bit. So yeah, I don't feel like holding the camera, you know what I'm saying? That's what I had to do when I was driving to drop the car off. I had to hold y'all so y'all wouldn't just tilt over, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, now what we finna agree to do, like I said, is pick up the car. I'm gonna show it to y'all, show y'all the front suspension kit, and I'll try to show y'all as much as I can anyways. I'm trying to get up under the car. And like I said, I'm just gonna enjoy driving it back home, you feel me? I'm finna cruise back. I know it needs gas. I know I was dropping it off, and I think I told y'all in the video, the car was on dead E, and if I tried to press the gas too hard, it was trying to shut off. So I had to like ease on the gas, try to make it out there. So the car is on dead E. So as soon as I pick it up, I'm going straight to the gas station. And like I said, I'm just gonna cruise home, you feel what I'm saying? The weather's feeling pretty good. So I was gonna take the tops off, but honestly, yeah, I don't feel like taking them off. I'm just, like I said, I'm just gonna get in the car and just come on home. And like I said, just enjoy the little drive back home. So yeah, like I said though, one of the quickest turnarounds, bro, for me with dropping off a car. Drop this charger off to get the AC done. And like I said, it was probably gone for like a week. Y'all know with the Cutlass, it was gone for a very long time, and the box Chevy for the motor swap and stuff, it's been gone for a very long time. So yeah, this was the quickest turnaround, bro, quickest turnaround. So yeah, like I said, I'm just excited to have the car back. Now I can actually drive the car without worrying about the steering wheel shaking like crazy, and now we can really get into it, you feel me, until the box Chevy come back. When the box Chevy come back, then like I told y'all before, we're going full throttle on that car, because I need to install all this stuff, get everything else I need, make my list. Like, I'm gonna make a full list of everything that I need to get, which I have most of the list already in my phone. But I'm gonna just do a full walk around and just look at everything and just see what else do I really need to get. I'm thinking about changing my suspension, changing the air shocks out for coilovers, but honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Like I said, just yet. I'm thinking about it, and I have all this entire year to do that. The rest of this year to figure out if I want to do that. I don't know. I know coilovers give you a smoother ride than the air shocks. The air shocks is a little bit more too bouncy. So like I said, I'm gonna figure it out what I really want to do. But honestly, right now, I haven't figured out just yet. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video for me, hit the subscribe button, share the channel, share this video. Hold on, I just messed it up. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need your help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Post the channel on all social media platforms if y'all can. Share the channel across all social media platforms if y'all want to. Screen record the videos and post them on different social medias. And like I said, just try to help me grow. Tell your family and friends, come subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's try and take this channel off. Let's try to keep growing, see how far I can really go with this channel. Other than that, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all once the Cutlass is home. Alright y'all, inside the tent, and the car's home. Like I said, one of the quickest turnarounds, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more work on the car until, like I said, the box Chevy come home. I don't know how much longer that's gonna be. So yeah, we're gonna I'm basically trying to keep myself busy, you feel what I'm saying? But I'm also gonna get out, drive this car, and just enjoy it. Enjoy everything that I've done so far, you feel what I'm saying? And just have fun in the car. Y'all know with the warm weather, I'm finna have my warm weather. Finna have my tops off and have my windows down. All I gotta do is recharge my AC system. I have the whole AC system, because y'all know everything under this hood is still original. So all I gotta do is recharge the AC system, and I have cold blowing AC in this car as well. So I'm gonna be doing that sometime soon, hopefully. You feel me? Get my dad over here, which I need him to come over here so I can get this music situated. I don't know what's going on with it. Might be some of the wires, just might be, I don't know. Like I said, I gotta get, because my music system was working before I installed that stuff. And I think it's past the 30-day mark to try to, I don't know, maybe if I reach out to CT Sounds, maybe they'll get me situated. But I don't think it's the amp, because the amp is coming on. It's not going in protection mode, so I don't, like I said, I don't know. But y'all know y'all won't be able to see this suspension kit unless I get under the car. But as y'all can see, the car is already back home, man. The car is already back home. As y'all can see, I already covered it up because it's getting late. It's like 5 o'clock. So I got literally like half an hour to an hour worth of sunlight left. So I'm gonna try to record this video today and come back out here tomorrow, get my music stuff situated so I can finally let y'all hear that stuff. But what I think I'm gonna do, I don't know what people yelling for. But yeah, I know for sure though, if I don't even get the subwoofers working, I'll let y'all hear the door panel speakers and the rear deck speakers for sure. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all hear that. But I'm gonna see if I can see something from the top. Y'all know I don't know what has this stuff. Oh yep, you can. So if y'all look, see, y'all can see a few new like little bolts and stuff. There go part of the suspension kit. But like I said, I'm gonna get under the car and show it to y'all. Look at all that. It's a whole lot of grease on there. But yeah, one piece is literally right here, going up there. See anything on this side? You can kind of see something. Barely. Like I said, I'm gonna have to get under the car and show it to y'all, let y'all see. Y'all see my steering rack and everything. Nice little 307, you feel me? It does the job. It does the job. So let me go ahead, like I said, try to get up under the car, take y'all off the tripod. And let's look at this brand new suspension kit. Alright, let me try and see if I can name off some of this stuff for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Try and see what I can do. Ooh. Alright, turn my flashlight on. And there we go. Y'all see? Look at this brand new suspension kit for the Cutlass, man. Look at all that rust, man. I'm gonna paint them lower control arms. So I ended up not needing new control arms, upper or lower. They are still in pretty good shape, you know what I'm saying, even though they got a lot of surface rust on them. Dang, look at all that oil. Yeah, I'm gonna get this right, man. Y'all know when we get ready to paint the frame, paint as much of the frame as I can, I should say. But yeah, got everything installed, as y'all can see. Inner and outer tie rods, front and upper, or front upper, you know what I'm saying. Ball joints, the outer tie rods, inner tie rods, like I said. Idler arm, like everything is here, bro. Everything. Got the whole little front suspension kit installed. The center link tie rod, idler arm, like I said, ball joints. He also did tell me I was missing like 2 ball joints, I think he said. As y'all can see, something's right there. I think it's a ball joint too. But yeah, he said I was missing some ball joints, 2 of them I think, or it might have been one or 2. So he had to go get that, and he ended up not charging me. There goes some more. Look at all that, man. Brand new, like I said, suspension kit. Yeah, kind of see if I zoom in, y'all, the flashlight won't work all the way. Yeah, y'all can see it go all the way across. Brand spanking new suspension kit, and like I said, now my steering is perfect, bro. And like I said, the car was aligned as well, because you feel me, that's what his shop do. His shop was mainly alignments, and he was like, yeah, he could do the installation for the front suspension kit, and while he was doing that, he'll go ahead and do the alignment. You feel what I'm saying? He'll go ahead and do that alignment. Hold on, I'm trying to get y'all up in there so y'all can see. But yeah, like I said, man, brand new front suspension kit. The car drives amazing. I'm gonna try to do a driving video for y'all. What y'all seen though, when I was dropping the car off, when I got up to a little bit higher speeds, the steering will start shaking. So y'all seen that. And I love this car, y'all. I was not big into 2 doors until I started working on this car, and I'm loving this car. Like I told y'all before, this is one car I will never ever get rid of. Y'all can say I unplugged my music stuff while I dropped it off, you know what I'm saying? So yep, the only thing that was working was the dash speakers, which was totally fine. You feel me? It didn't bother me. But yeah, like I said, man, we're gonna get the frame right. Most likely, I mean, it depends on how fast I get finished doing what I need to do with the box Chevy. Then I'll come over here and then we'll start taking the rear end off, dropping it so I can put my air shocks on, which I'm probably not even gonna use them. I might sell them and order some coilovers for this car too. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out though. Like I said, everything's gonna get figured out. But yeah, man, brand new front suspension kit is installed on the car. The car drives amazing. I want to get out and just drive it today, but like I said, I'm losing sunlight, so I don't want to drive in the dark, you know what I'm saying? So I'll probably take this car out tomorrow and drive it, and I probably won't record. I'll probably record a different video for y'all, get y'all a different video. But yeah, I definitely want to take this car out, just drive it, like I said, and enjoy it for a little bit. But yeah, man, it's home. Like I said, not unfortunate, but very fortunately, I did not have to get upper and lower control arms, because those itself, the uppers was like $250, then the lowers was like close to $300, and that was for the pairs. So that would have been like another $500. So like I said, luckily I did not have to get that. But like I said, everything else it's all installed. So yeah, I can't really ask y'all, let me know what y'all think, because I didn't install it, and all y'all did was just be able to see the stuff. So yeah, actually I won't mess with the music tomorrow. I don't feel like messing with it today. Yeah, I was gonna mess with the music today off camera and try to see if I can get the subwoofers figured out, but I think I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow. Leave that like that. But yeah, man, Cut Dog is back, man. Cutlass is back. I'm gonna start working on getting this tint off too, because I don't like this tint, and I don't like how it's only on this window. I think all the T-tops come tinted, you feel me? I think so, to try to help block from the sun. But I don't like how the tint is solely on this window. It's not on the front windows, it's not on the rear window. I don't like that. So I'm gonna work on getting the tint off these 2 quarter windows here soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. Most likely the rear deck gonna get remade. So y'all don't have to worry about that. I just needed to get that in there now so I can go ahead and wire them speakers up. And bro, they sound so good. When I was playing the music, when I was trying to record the music video for y'all, for, you feel me, everything, and that's when I figured out, like I said, my subwoofers weren't working. I got to hear the door speakers with the rear deck speakers, and bro, I'm telling y'all, it sounded really good, bro. It sounded really good. I gotta adjust sorry, I'm trying to put y'all back on the tripod. I gotta adjust the bass, which is on with the radio. You feel me? When my radio is on, I can adjust the bass through the EQ on the radio. I gotta adjust that because the bass was up a little too much, and I didn't like that. You feel me? Because I have subwoofers, so if I want to hear bass, I have my subwoofers on. But yeah, I didn't like it, so I'm gonna have to adjust the bass and have it just playing just the music without the bass, you feel me, so I can hear the words really clearly, and then we go from there. But like I said, it's a lot still I have to do with this car. Still gotta pull these seats out so I can paint these bottom brackets, try to take the brackets apart if I can and paint them bottom brackets, and then yeah, we're just gonna keep moving on from there. So little by little, man, little by little. Front suspension is done, though. I can finally drive this car without worrying about it shaking really badly or feeling like the tires gonna go out, which is, I ain't gonna say, well, it don't shake, not at all, you know what I'm saying, because the car still needs new tires. But I'm not putting new tires on these wheels because I plan on putting rims on this car. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed. I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, leave y'all, well, y'all can leave y'all opinions, man. Y'all seen the installation, but y'all didn't see me do it because I didn't do it, you know what I'm saying. I knew I wouldn't be able to done that, and if I did, bro, the car would have probably needed a really bad alignment. Probably wouldn't have been able to drive it, you feel me, if I did it. So I'm glad that shop was able to get it done for me really quickly, bro. Like I said, like a day and a half, bro. I dropped it off Monday afternoon, got it back Wednesday morning, not even Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday morning I got the car back, you know what I'm saying. So not even really 2 full days, like a day and a half, exactly a day and a half. But yeah, man, gotta get my music situated so I can get y'all that video, bro, because I'm tired of pushing it off now. I've been ready to give it to y'all, and like I said, when I tested it out myself, it wouldn't play. So I gotta figure that out, figure out why the subwoofer's not playing. Maybe it is the amp, maybe it's not the amp. Maybe I'll take the amp off and use a different amp and see if it plays. And if it does, then like I said, I know for sure it's my amp. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna do that, you feel me, probably tomorrow. I'm gonna go grab another amp, see if the amp will play, and if another amp plays with the subs, I just need to play for like a split second. Then I know my amp is bad, then I'll email CT Sounds and tell them that amp is bad that they sent me. But like I said, I don't think it's the amp, bro. I really don't think it's the amp. But it can't be my wires, because my last setup was playing with these exact same wires, bro. And the only wires I changed was the power and the ground. I changed them out to 0 gauge for the CT Sound subwoofer. Changed them out to 0 gauge, and you feel me, like I said, the amp still cuts on. And I put new speaker wires in. Maybe it's the speaker wires, you feel me, like I said, I don't know yet. I'm gonna get it all figured out though, since the car is back. I'm gonna get it all situated, get it all figured out, man. So that's one thing I'm not going, or that's one thing I have to worry about, you feel what I'm saying. But man, I'm telling y'all, I love having this car back, being able to see through the roof, bro. I love having this car back. I'm excited to get everything finished. But like I said, my main focus is the box Chevy. Once it comes back, once it comes home, that's gonna be my main focus, getting the box Chevy right. So this car gonna get put on the back burner, but I'm still gonna drive this car, you feel me. I don't care how it looks, you feel me. I'm enjoying my car for me. I'm building my car for me, so I'm gonna drive it like I said, and I really won't care how I don't care how it looks right now, because I know what my end goal is with this car. I know what it's gonna look like in the end, you feel me. It's the image in my head. But like I said, front suspension kit is installed. I can finally drive this car. And yeah, man, y'all can leave y'all opinions in the comments, you feel what I'm saying. One of the quickest turnarounds. Make sure y'all like the video for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. We're up to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new, post the channel and the videos on all social media platforms. Tell your family and friends, come subscribe to the channel, and if y'all want to, screen record the videos and post them on different social medias. Like I said, just trying to get the channel out there a little bit more. I'm doing as much as I can, bro. I'm posting a lot on TikTok. I was posting on Instagram, but then I kept getting, like, people kept unfollowing, so I just stopped posting on Instagram altogether. So I'm not really on Instagram, but yeah, I am active on TikTok, you feel what I'm saying. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Driving video should be coming soon, man. I'm gonna try to get that. Music video should be coming soon, man. I'm trying to get the subwoofer situated, get that figured out, and then yeah, we're just gonna keep installing stuff. Whatever I order, I'm gonna install it. Got a few more parts I ordered for the box Chevy coming in. Y'all stay tuned for them videos, which one part is something that I really needed, and y'all probably never even noticed, you feel me, but it's something that I need, and I went ahead and I finally found one. Actually, literally the only one I found on eBay, and I got it, you feel me. So y'all stay tuned for all that coming in. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.